Want to master 3 tenses in one sentence? Let's go. Present. They build a house. They build a house. Past. They built a house. They built a house. Future. They will build a house. They will build a house. Present. She draws a picture. She draws a picture. Past. She drew a picture. She drew a picture. Future. She will draw a picture. She will draw a picture. Present. I read a newspaper. I read a newspaper. Past. I read a newspaper. I read a newspaper. Future. I will read a newspaper. I will read a newspaper. Present. They listen to music. They listen to music. Past. They listen to music. They listen to music. Future. They will listen to music. They will listen to music. Present. We go to school. We go to school. Past. We went to school. We went to school. Future. We will go to school. We will go to school. Present. I live in a city. I live in a city. Past. I lived in a city. I lived in a city. Future. I will live in a city. I will live in a city. Present. He watches TV. He watches TV. Past. He watched TV. He watched TV. Future. He will watch TV. He will watch TV. Present. She speaks Spanish. She speaks Spanish. Past. She spoke Spanish. She spoke Spanish. Future. She will speak Spanish. She will speak Spanish. Present. We play games. We play games. Past. We played games. We played games. Future. We will play games. We will play games. Present. They eat lunch. They eat lunch. Past. They ate lunch. They ate lunch. Future. They will eat lunch. They will eat lunch. Present. She works. She works. Past. She worked. She worked. Future. She will work. She will work. Present. I study English. I study English. Past. I studied English. I studied English. Future. I will study English. I will study English. Present. He drives a car. He drives a car. Past. He drove a car. He drove a car. Future. He will drive a car. He will drive a car. Present. We clean the house. We clean the house. Past. We cleaned the house. We cleaned the house. Future. We will clean the house. We will clean the house. Present. I cook breakfast. I cook breakfast. Past. I cooked breakfast. I cooked breakfast. Future. I will cook breakfast. I will cook breakfast. Present. They ride bicycles. They ride bicycles. Past. They rode bicycles. They rode bicycles. Future. They will ride bicycles. They will ride bicycles. Present. I have a pet. I have a pet. Past. I had a pet. I had a pet. Future. I will have a pet. I will have a pet. Present. She dances at parties. She dances at parties. Past. She danced at parties. She danced at parties. Future. She will dance at parties. She will dance at parties. Present. I drink coffee. I drink coffee. Past. I drank coffee. I drank coffee. Future. I will drink coffee. I will drink coffee. Present. We buy groceries. We buy groceries. Past. We bought groceries. We bought groceries. Future. We will buy groceries. We will buy groceries. Present. They visit friends. They visit friends. Past. They visited friends. They visited friends. Future. They will visit friends. They will visit friends. Present. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. Past. He wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Future. He will write a letter. He will write a letter. Present. They swim in the pool. They swim in the pool. Past. They swam in the pool. They swam in the pool. Future. They will swim in the pool. They will swim in the pool. Present. He reads a book. He reads a book. Past. He read a book. He read a book. Future. He will read a book. He will read a book. Present. They dance at the party. They dance at the party. Past. They danced at the party. They danced at the party. Future. They will dance at the party. They will dance at the party. Present. She cooks breakfast. She cooks breakfast. Past. She cooked breakfast. She cooked breakfast. Future. She will cook breakfast. She will cook breakfast. Present. I enjoy reading. I enjoy reading. Past. I enjoyed reading. I enjoyed reading. Future. I will enjoy reading. I will enjoy reading. Present. We clean the kitchen. We clean the kitchen. Past. We cleaned the kitchen. We cleaned the kitchen. Future. We will clean the kitchen. We will clean the kitchen. Present. They travel to a new city. They travel to a new city. Past. They traveled to a new city. They traveled to a new city. Future. They will travel to a new city. They will travel to a new city. Present. She wears a dress. She wears a dress. Past. She wore a dress. She wore a dress. Future. She will wear a dress. She will wear a dress. Present. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. Past. I cooked dinner. I cooked dinner. Future. I will cook dinner. I will cook dinner. Present. He plays soccer. He plays soccer. Past. He played soccer. He played soccer. Future. He will play soccer. He will play soccer.